Myself Rajulal Soni, PGT Biology Sanitation Public School, Tom. Welcome again in your YouTube channel, Class 12, Reproduction in Angiosperm. Topic name is Polyembryony and Apomixis. One by one we will study about these. Polyembryony. First, you know poly means many. Embryony means embryo. It means a process by which many embryos forms are known as polyembryony. What is the scientific language? Occurrence of more than one embryo. एक एम्ब्रियो से ज्यादा का पाया जाना, किस में पाया जाना? Occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is known as polyembryony. Look and listen. The seed of lemon, the seed of Malta, the seed of orange. If we will squash the seed of these, we will observe inside the seed there are so many embryos. We can watch this under a suitable microscope. These are embryos. And how many? There are many embryos. Hence, these are polyembryos. And term becomes polyembryony. Yes or no? Occurrence occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is known as polyembryony. We know that during double fertilization, only one embryo forms and one endosperm forms inside a seed. But in some plants, inside the seed, there is so many embryos forms. This phenomena is known as polyembryony. How it is possible? Causes of polyembryony. What are the reasons behind to develop polyembryony in plants such as Malta, orange, citrus family, that is lemon? First, causes of polyembryony. कैसे होती है polyembryony? क्या कारण है उसकी? देखिए, listen me. ये मेरे पास कौन है? You know? Yes, you know very well. This is an ovule. Inside the ovule there was a female gametophyte which contained 2 synergid and 1 egg cell and 3 antipodal cells and 2 central nuclei or polar nuclei. Sometimes after fertilization, egg cell converts into zygote and zygote gets split into 2 parts and forms embryo. Thus, one zygote gives rise to embryo, that is polyembryony. Embryo formation through splitting of zygote into 2 parts. First reason. Second, embryo formation through synergy. What are synergy? Just near the zygote, there are 2 cells also. These are haploid in nature and known as synergid. Both synergid n plus n become 2n and sometimes forms an embryo. Both are female cells, hence there is no fertilization needed. While they give rise embryo, thus polyembryony occurs in these plants. Embryo formation through synergids. Third, embryo formation through antipodal cell. In some plants, the antipodal cells, which are 3 in numbers and situated inside the female gametophyte, fuses to each other and give rise a diploid embryo. Thus, 2 synergid embryo formation through एंटीपोडल सेल्स, दोनों एंटीपोडल सेल्स फ्यूज हो जाती हैं और नया क्या बन जाता है, हमारे पास एम्ब्रियो बन जाता है. embryo formation through cells of integuments. Come here again. There are two integuments, outer integuments and inner integuments. Any of the cell of these integuments which are diploid in nature directly converts into directly converts into embryo. Thus, now we get two embryos. First from egg cell and second from the integument cells. Thus, embryo formation through cells of integument obtained. Next, embryo formation through cells of nucellus. Where is nucellus? You know this is female gametophyte, and around the female gametophyte there is a nucellus. Nucellus is diploid in nature, and any of the cell of nucellus which is diploid in nature converts into embryo. Thus, embryo formation through cells of nucellus get. All of these are the reasons or causes of polyembryo. Now the second theme, is apomixis. What is apomixis? Now listen. Seed is the product of fertilization. The meaning of this statement: if there is no fertilization in angiosperm plant, it means seed will not form. It means, I can say in another words, that seed is a product of double fertilization, in which embryo forms by first fertilization and endosperm formed by second fertilization, that is triple fusion. Hence I can say that seed is the product of fertilization, or seed is the product of double fertilization. Now I want to change the theme, that seed formation without fertilization is known as apomixis. Formation of seed without fertilization, बिना fertilization के seed का बनना, formation of seed without fertilization is known as apomixis, and these seeds are known as apomictic seed. क्लियर? मतलब क्या हुआ? Seed formation without fertilization is known as apomixis, and these seeds are known as apomictic seeds. Causes or reasons of apomictic seeds. First, development of diploid nucellus cell into apomictic seed. Then again we are going towards the ovule, that is nucellus, and that is female gametophyte, inner integument, outer integument. Development of diploid nucellus cells into apomictic seed. इसमें क्या होता है? जो न्यूक्लियस है ना हमारे पास, ये इसकी कोई सी भी डिप्लॉइड सेल सीधे ही इस बार किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है? सीड में. पिछली बार हमने इसको कन्वर्ट करा था एम्ब्रियो में, अब हम किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं? सीड में. ऐसा कभी हो जाए तो वो होगा एपोमिक्सिस. दूसरा रीजन, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ डिप्लॉइड एग सेल इनटू सीड विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. देखिए ये कौन है हमारे पास? एग सेल. और कैसी हैप्लॉइड. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूं एग सेल जो हैप्लॉइड होती है वो डिप्लॉइड से ही तो बनते हैं। मेगास्पोर मदर सेल जो थी उसने 8 न्यूक्लियस बनाया। जब ये बन रही होती है 4 से 8 हो रहे होते हैं तो एक सेल तैयार हो जाती है डिप्लॉइड, दैट इज 2n। ये डिप्लॉइड 2n सेल जो कि एक सेल से बनी है सीधे ही क्या बना लेती हैं सीड। देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन, हेंस इट इज apomictic. By fusion of two haploid synergids, we know there are two synergids. If they fuse and forms embryo, then polyembryo occurs. If they fuse and forms directly seed, then it is known as apomixis. Last, by fusion of two haploid. The haploid क्या है? N. Number of chromosome is half from the parent cell. By fusion of two haploid antipodal cell, ऊपर 3 एंटीपोडल सेल्स होती हैं, इनमें से कोई सी भी दो मर्ज हो जाती है, डायरेक्ट क्या बनाती हैं सीड। देन वी गेट एपोमिक्टिक सीड। तो टुडेस टॉपिक में हमने देखा पॉलीएम्ब्रियोनी एंड एपोमिक्सिस। इन दोनों से हमारे पास एम्ब्रियो भी बनते हैं और सीड भी बनते हैं। Polyembryonic causes many embryos and apomixis causes seeds without fertilization. These are some ways which are specific in nature for reproduction. Hence, they are also categorized in the category special methods of reproduction in angiosperm. Thanks to watching the video.